My name is R.C. Christie. I'm by way of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and I'm a licensed professional barber. I'm here to share my knowledge, experiences, and journey in this barber game. Today is my first official tutorial video on how to do a bald fade. If you like the video, hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel, and please enjoy the video. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my bald line. Use my Babyliss FX trimmers. I'm going to start off on the side and follow that line all the way around to the other side. Here I'm balding out the nape and the side areas, going against the grain. That's going in the opposite direction of the way the hair grows. Now using my cordless Babyliss FX low profiles, I'm going to create that second line with the blade all the way open. Now with the one guard all the way closed, I'm going to create that third transition. Notice I comb the hair back down after every interval of strokes. It's important to use your comb and comb the hair down. That way you can see all the dark spots that you missed and go back over them. That way you can make a clean transition. Also notice I'm using a light comb. Using a comb that's lighter than the hair color is beneficial because it helps you see the hair as you're combing. Now opening up my clipper all the way, I'm going to knock down that bolt near the parietal ridge. Parietal ridge is the area between the top of the head and the side of the head. Right here, I'm going to open up my blade all the way and start attacking the middle line. Right here, I'm using my clipper as an eraser, and I'm erasing the line, creating the transition. Now I've closed my blade all the way, and now I'm attempting to take out that bottom line. Now I'm not going to get that bottom line out all the way because that's not what I started with. I started with my trimmer. But this is just to lighten up the line, so it'll make it easier for me to take the line out with my trimmer. here is where I go back and start to clean up, looking for any little dark spots that I may find that helps make the transition look smoother and cleaner. Now if you notice the hair is slanted down on an angle, I'm going to cut in the opposite direction to where the hair is growing to make that transition smoother. Here's the movement of the clippers in slow motion. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to take out that first line with my trimmers, creating a transition from bald to hair. Now for everyone's favorite, the lineup. Now with this client, he has a light spot in his head. I'm going to create an imaginary line. I'm not going to dig into where it's dark at. That will take his hairline back. So as you can see, I'm creating an imaginary line. I started from the middle, going right to the corners. Now when I line up the corners, I measure from the corner of the eyes on both sides. That way I get an even lineup. I also use the corners of the blade to achieve a crispy lineup. Now I'm going to fade the sideburns. I'm going to take the same steps I did when I faded the head, except I'm doing everything backwards. Hey everyone, that is the finished cut. I hope you enjoyed my very first video. Please, if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you next time.